Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine CES 2020. We're at
First look,
China first, China check, first
China
look.
check first do.
We got
Take two.
No, there's no take twos. There's no take twos in CES. There's no take twos in CES. So we got Shangwei Wu. Did I pronounce that right?
Yeah.
Awesome. And we're going to talk about this. It's called SmaCircle. And here he is. Woo, like that. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
So tell us, what was the inspiration of making SmaCircle?
Actually, we developed SmaCircle 3 years ago.
Okay.
So the idea comes with we want to have a very amazing and the products can resolve the first mile and last mile.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, so basically, it's a foldable bike. We'll go over there. How long? Tell us a little bit about the development of the SmaCircle bikes.
Actually, we developed SmaCircle for more than 3 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And was there a lot? What were the major challenges of putting this bike together, besides figuring out how it's going to fold?
Well, actually, for us to develop the SmaCircle is very difficult at the very beginning. So we need to make the concept from the real product. That's a long trip.
Yeah.
That's a long trip. So during this trip, so we have to have the idea comes out because this is the invention.
Okay.
So this is the innovative products.
Okay.
So we have also have to open the mold. So we need to encounter many problems such as the reliability.
Reliability?
Yeah, reliability
Oh, okay.
testing.
Okay.
The reliability testing to consider all of the safety and the quality because this is the vehicle. So we cannot imagine. So we can fold the vehicle into the backpack. So we can make the smallest one.
Okay.
So the idea, we want to make it the smallest one. So that's why the material we make is the carbon fiber.
Okay.
So that's why we can make this so light.
Okay.
Yeah.
How light is it? What's the weight on it?
We say it's 24 pounds.
24 pounds?
24 pounds.
Is that with the battery or without
With
the battery? With the battery.
Everything.
Okay.
Everything.
Including the stand, that little kickstand that you have. There.
The kickstand is not come with.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. And then when you take it apart, the battery and the kickstand are two things that don't attach with the bike. Bike then gets put in the backpack. You then put it into another backpack. But the cool part about that, and the one thing that he explained it to me, was that you can then take it on a plane. You have the battery on your person, and then you can put that in as checked luggage, which is pretty cool. So correct?
Yeah. Yes, we can. This is the first electric bike can take on the airplane because we have customized the special battery. Yeah.
Okay.
Can fit to the law and the airplane.
And he's right in front of you. What's the battery life on this then?
The battery life. So after single charge, can ride for 13 to 15 miles.
Okay.
For single charge.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about standby mode? How long is there like if you use it for a couple days, you have to charge it back up or?
Normally we say the distance for single charge can ride for 13 to 15 miles.
Okay.
For 3.5 hours.
Okay.
And the battery life we say normally we can charge for 2 or 3 years. We say it's 1,000 times.
Okay.
For the
Still
battery
goes.
life.
Okay. And how long does it take to charge?
3 hours.
3 hours to charge. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And what type of is it? Just regular lithium ion type battery?
It's the regular battery.
Okay.
Later on Samsung battery.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much is it?
Now the retail price is $13.99 US.
Say that again.
$13.99, $13.99 US.
$1,399.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it available in the United States?
Yes, it's available.
Okay. How do they get it?
So people can buy from the Amazon.
Okay.
People can buy from the www.smartcircle.com. So people can buy from the Hammer. Yeah, because we have the distributor at the US. The name is called Whammo.
Rammel?
Yeah, Whammo. Yeah, it's the toys company. Whammo.
Oh.
Yeah,
Whammo.
Yeah, Whammo. It's
Okay.
a 72 years company.
Yeah, I haven't heard that name
It's
in a long
also
time.
our partnership.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
So,
Thank
take
you for the
care.
interview. Thank you.
All right, there you go. And that is the SmaCircle here at CES 2020, the China Tech First Look. Yeah, I can say that. We have a lot of video from here, from CES. We got Pepcom, we got Showstoppers, we got CES coming up, which is awesome, and a whole bunch more. Go over to geekazine.com. Don't forget, and of course, youtube.com/geekazine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, bell notification for the next video. And until then, you guys geek out.